Molweni, sanibonani. Welcome back to my channel. Sisasephezu kwayo indaba yengane zesithembu. We can see ke lana uBhubezi esiyo-introducer Amahle Biyela, the girlfriend, the soon to be wife of Mpumelelo Mseleku ku ingane zesithembu ke season 3 ke lo ubana isiphathele ini. Siyambona ke uMpumelelo asisho ukubana sekaqalile uku-introducer Amahle to some of his siblings, and we can see today as they are driving going for lunch anolwandle, as they are going emotweni having cute chat nolwandle, wondering ukubana hayi kanti indoda zishane nga so yeah, we can see them meeting uLwandle meeting Amahle. We saw Amahle Biyela, she's 20 years old, and uyatsho ukubana she is in her final year of studying. So yes, so uyasho ke Amahle ukubana uMpumelelo sent her a DM on TikTok, and that's how they started chatting. Uyatsho nje ukubana she does not remember uMpumelelo amshela or na ukubana amcela nje ukubana sacela ube yintombi yami okanye kwathini ari hayi yena nje all she knows ukubana uMpumelelo starting calling her ubaby, and then naye at the end wagqibela ke naye sekambiza ngobhebi wakhe, and that's how they started dating and getting to this point where now she's being introduced to the siblings. Uyatsho ke Amahle ukubana yeah, she knows uLwandle but she does not know him outside of social media and the show. So she's a beautiful looking girl. Uyasho ke naye uLwandle ukubana hayi ushuni kabhuti wakhe munye qha, meaning ukubana uMpumelelo nje he dates like one type of women. Of when you look at Amahle, you look at Tirelo, you look at Vuyokazi Ncweni naye, like they all got the same similar body type. Shokbana hi, that's how he likes them. So at least Amahle yena, she is a bit younger than Mpumelelo, as both Tirelo no Vuyokazi, they were older than uMpumelelo. So yeah, bafika ke laphana ku lunch nje kumnandi bayaxoxa and stuff like that. And then we can see ke na next on uThando ingane zesithembu ukubana uBhubezi uyasho ukubana ufuna ukuthi bana ayoziwa kwaBiyela nabo babekwazi ukubana hayi umkhwenyane nguye lo, and bayamazi ngempela ukubana hayi uzile wazozivika ukuthi uye lo umkhwenyana. And we can see also ukubana uTirelo is sitting down zokhuluma with what is bothering her with uMpumelelo, because uMpumelelo apparently does not bring imali ye-maintenance at all the time. He will be busy in Durban with girlfriends, as she is saying ukubana hayi uMpumelelo nje here and there he does not pay i-maintenance yomntwana. So ubusy ngemali nje eThekwini with his girlfriend, and ubaba uMseleko seems very concerned and very confused ukubana njani kalokho, like you've never brought it up before ukubana uMpumelelo is not paying for umntwana. So konke lokho sikubona on the upcoming episode yengane zesithembu. We'll see it soon. Also we can see uMpumelelo also atsho ukubana he does not need approval ka Tirelo to pay amalobola for whoever he wants to pay ilobola for. So uthi-ke yena uBhubezi, he'll be doing it twice. So all of these are the recaps for the next episode of Ingane Zesithembu. Uyasho ke uMpumelelo ukubana hayi yena akadinge i-approval yomuntu just to pay ilobola, as uBhubezi has said it before ukubana he's going to marry i-first wife, and leyo first wife will have to be intombi nto. So nangu-ke u-Amahle, she's 20 years old. Chances are that she's still a virgin. She's only 20 years old and she's just finishing up. She's on her final year studying. So we can see uMpumelelo having lunch with uLwandle and introducing uAmahle kuLwandle, which means ubana hi, things are getting in place of getting lobolad very soon. Bana yena, he does what he says ukubana he will do it. So le yona yokubana hayi uyena uhamba athembisa abantu into engekhoyo akayazi. So yeah, we'll see at this coming week. What do you guys think about the new wife, the new girlfriend, uAmahle Biyela? What do you guys think? Because uyatsho nabantu laphana bayamxwayisa ka-social media ukubana be careful ngoTirelo, and already she's replying ukubana hayi ngiyamazi loyo ukubana how does she roll. So which means she's coming in here with that thing ukubana you are not going to treat me the same way you were treating uVuyokazi. So this one already she's coming in fully armed. Let me know, what do you guys think? Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video, as we'll see ukubana uMpumelelo will be going to pay ilobola ka-Amahle Biyela. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.